Oh gosh, I have this one really nice memory. My father's parents, my Bubby and Zadie, had Alzheimer's for 10 years. At the point of Baba Mitzvah, my Zadie, who died this past summer, he was already in a wheelchair, and I remember him sitting in his wheelchair in the front row of the synagogue right in front of the bima, and he's almost always expressionless because you don't know what's trapped inside that body because he doesn't talk anymore, but he didn't talk. But then I just remember he was looking up at me and smiling just for like an hour and a half. It's just this glowing smile, and it's just one of my nicest memories because I hadn't I've almost never seen him like that. So I felt like he was watching. He knew what was happening. It was really, really moving. I certainly felt the rite of passage that was about mitzvah. I was presented with the sisterhood siddur and the men's club kiddush wine glass that I've seen them giving to the bar and bat mitzvah kids for years and years and years. And it was just it was wow, I'm here. And once I always thought that the kids who had just been bar mitzvahed were the oldest and the coolest, and then once I was there, I just still felt so young, and gosh, I didn't even know anything, and I've learned this one Haftorah, but if that took me 3 months, if I ever did this again, it was just, it was an accomplishment, but it also made me realize how much there was in Jewish life that I hadn't even touched.